Hello everyone, it's been a quite some time since my last video, and this is actually the first one after quite a long break, and I thought it would be really nice if I restart my channel with something simple taken from my French learning journey. As we know, in English we generally have three basic greetings depending on the time of day. The first is good morning, the second is good afternoon, the third is good evening. In French, however, it's a bit different and slightly simpler. There are essentially two main greetings. The first is bonjour, which covers good morning and good afternoon, and the second is bonsoir, which is used for good evening. And in addition to this, there is also a more common casual way of greeting in French. Just as in English, you might say hi or hello to your friend. In French, you could say salut. This is closer in meanings to hi or hello in English. And then, after greeting someone, we tend to ask how they are. In English, you might say, how are you? How do you do? Or in a slightly more formal tone, you could say, how have you been? It's much the same in French. You could say, ça va or comment ça va? Or in a more formal setting, you might say, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? And these are perfectly polite and useful depending on whom you are speaking with. And of course, you will also need to know how to answer it. If you are feeling great, you could say ça va bien, which means I'm fine, or ça va bien merci, which means I'm fine, thank you. And then if you are not doing well or not feeling great, you could say ça ne va pas très bien, ça ne va pas très bien, which means I'm not doing very well. Or in more casual conversation, you could simply reply with ça va et toi, which means I'm fine, and you? And well, personally, I find learning these little cultural and linguistic differences really enjoyable, and I'm quite excited to carry on with my French studies of the long term. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé mon vidéo. À bientôt.